Have you ever experienced a desert safari? It's really thrilling. You know, in these huge vehicles, people go into the desert and drive very fast, sometimes very slow, sometimes up, sometimes down the sand dunes. It's very, very interesting. So suppose you went for a desert safari and in the excitement you went very far and you lost your way. Then how would you really come back to the city? Well, in a desert, everything looks the same. You see, there are no trees, no buildings, no posts where you can actually locate where or which direction to go. Then what do? Well, you always have the sun. So by the position of the sun, you can actually locate which direction you need to go. But what about in the night? What will happen if there is no sun and it's really dark? Well, the stars can help you. At night, by knowing the position of stars, you can actually find the proper direction. And even in older times, this is what happened. The people who got lost in desert, they used the stars to locate their direction and get out of the desert. Similarly, even in the sea, the sailors use the position of stars to understand where exactly they are and where they need to go. But there was a twist. A lot of time there was no sun or no stars. That's because there were clouds in the sky, and this sometimes continued for even months. So people could not see anything in the sky, neither the sun, neither the stars. And at this time, people realized that depending on just the stars and the sun for location would be very difficult. And then they devised a gadget. That gadget was called compass. Now this was a very special gadget because it could locate the directions even when there was no sun or no stars. So you see, it could actually show you where the north is, and with the help of north, you could understand west, east and south. Because if you face north, then east will be to your right, west will be to your left, and south will be at your back. So this device helped them locate the north direction. So what this device was? This was the compass. Now, compass had a very special characteristic. That is, its arrow always pointed to the north direction. So wherever you are in the world, you can always see the compass and know the north direction. And once you know the north, you can always calculate all the other three directions, isn't it? So this was really helpful for human beings. And if you see very closely, you will see that the compass, needle of the compass, is always pointing to one direction. Even when it is being rotated, you see, the needle is fixed in one direction, even when it is being rotated completely. That is the magic of compass. It will always show you the north direction, however you rotate it and wherever you are in the world. And it does not get affected by any sort of weather condition or whether it is day or night. So using a compass, people or sailors particularly knew the location or the direction, and with the help of direction they could read maps and find the right direction to get back home. So this compass also has this sort of a needle. So sometimes a north is mentioned on the needle and sometimes just a color is mentioned on the needle. So here you have a red color and you have a white color. So in case of compass where a north is not mentioned on the needle, usually the red color denotes the north direction. So wherever red color of the needle points, that will be the north direction. And with the help of this, you can always calculate the other four directions. So this was a very important device which all the travelers and navigators always carried with them. And even today, it is one of the most important things which we have with us. In fact, you don't need an entire compass device with you. Even your smartphone has a compass in it. So nowadays, even the smartphones have apps which can actually work like a compass and show you the north direction, as you can see here. So next time you get your hands on a smartphone, try to locate the compass app. And even if it is not there, you can always download it and see how magical it is to see that however you rotate the device, the compass will always point you to the north direction.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.